Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a simple GET request on Spring. And basically, it's to get started, you want to download IntelliJ, which is basically the IDE we're going to be using. IntelliJ. So if you just go to the IntelliJ website, it's the best IDE in my opinion. People have their preferences. You could use other IDEs, but I love this one. Just go and download the Community Edition. Ultimate Edition's better, but costs money, so download the Community Edition. And next up, what you want to download is Postman. Yeah, Postman download. And you could just download Postman on this website, Windows 64-bit. And basically, Postman is a simple web application that helps you make GET post requests in a very user-friendly way. So after you get these two applications, what you want to start by opening IntelliJ. So basically, you want to create a new project from scratch. This is gonna be called we got a default project. Yeah, just select Spring Initializer on this side. So that's basically the type of project we're making. Here you want to basically name the group your company name normally. So here I'll just put Mist because that's my makeshift company. Name of the project is gonna be whaddup because we're gonna try to make a GET request that says whaddup. And project type, make it a Maven project because that's what I'm used to. Just 17, everything looks good here. Here we want to make it called whaddup as well. Simple GET request. And here you want the company name in the middle, so MIST. And you want the name of the project, so whaddup. For the name, does everything look good? Let's move on to the next one. Here you want to select the dependencies you're going to use for the web application. So here you want to select Spring Web. Next, project name, I'll leave it as whaddup. Maybe make this one capital. It really doesn't matter. I've seen people do it anyway, so I'll just leave it small to be honest. So why not? Next. Whew. Hopefully our Maven project loads everything, and we should have a complete Maven project on the left. So all I have to do is click load Maven project because sometimes it doesn't do it automatically. And yeah, everything transforms into a good looking, very organized thing on the left here. And the two things we want to inspect is first of all our main class. This is basically our main class, annotated at Spring Boot application. So what Spring basically does is
A few moments later.
for now, think of Spring Framework as a skeleton that provides you with general functionalities for your application. For example, now that we've added Spring Web, we can easily make API requests using annotations. So by just adding annotations, a lot of code is done for you behind the scenes. You can kind of see what the code is here. So that's what the annotated code is. It's like a wrapper thing that's put on top of Java. So what we want to do here is first of all, let's go to application properties, and then I think it's called server dot port, and we could just call it 8080 because that's what everyone calls it. So this allows us to use this as our endpoint. So when we're calling the request, we could just call localhost, and our request is going to be put on this server. That should be the first thing you do. Now we're gonna go back to our main class. And there's nothing to be done here because it's just a main method that runs the Spring application. What we want to do is create a new class, and we're gonna call it whaddup class. That's the worst named class I've ever seen. And we're gonna make this a REST controller. And what do we want to do here? We want to create a method public string whaddup. I don't know, like I'm really bad naming stuff, guys, sorry, please don't judge. And all we want to do is return a string that says whaddup. You guys are probably gonna hate this word once I'm done with this. Now after doing this, we want to actually add another annotation here, call it get mapping. So the get mapping takes in the endpoint in the brackets, so you want to do a slash. I'll just call it API because that's more or less what we're creating. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else that needs to be done. So what we want to do is run our application. So just come here, run whaddup application, and if everything's alright, we should see the thing come up and start running here. And yeah, we have our Spring server running. So what we want to do is open Postman. And yeah, I got my Postman open on the left. So after we open Postman, the website, not website, the link we're gonna be finding, the endpoint, that's the word. The endpoint is localhost, that's our local machine. And then we just want to specify 8080. And as you can see here, we in the whaddup class, the endpoint is API. So all we want to do is add /API. And if you make a GET request, which is the one set by default, we should be able to see whaddup. And that's how easy it is to make a simple GET request on Spring. And yeah, that's our first lesson. See you in the next one.